Hi guys, in today's session we are going to learn about stroke lighting effect in Premiere Pro CC. You might have seen this famous effect especially in music album, ads, movies and so on. What is strobe lighting effect and what are the ways to use it? So guys, I'm going to answer this question in this session. The strobe lighting effect makes clip transparent by random breaks. For example, every 2 seconds the clip would become completely transparent or the clip color could change at the random intervals. Let's check out the ways to do that. Before we start, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button which will let you know as soon as I upload new software tutorial. Now let's begin with this tutorial. Here I have opened Premiere Pro 2019 and the second step is import clip. So let's import clip which is already saved on my disk. Okay. So double click on project panel right over here, access your saved clip and click open button. If you want to use same footage clip, link has been given in below description of this video. Next, let's drag and drop footage clip on timeline. You can see preview of footage clip in program monitor window. Now to apply strobe lighting effect, go to effect panel which is located on the top of your screen over here. Click on effect tab and here you can see all effect panel. Go to the video effect tab, click stylized and here third last is strobe lighting effect. Grab and drag this on your clip placed on timeline. After this, in the program monitor, you can see by default effect has been applied to your clip. Now let's go to Effect Control tab to understand the properties which can enhance your effect. Now we have access to the strobe lighting effect for this clip. You can turn on and off this effect by clicking over here. This is first way to apply strobe light to clip. So simply click on an arrow to expand this effect. Here we have a strobe color. From here specify color of a strobe light. You can see preview in program monitor over here. Blend with origin, the effect transparency. Simply it's blend with the original clip. For example, if we set value to 100, the effect will not be visible on clip. If you set value to 0, the original image doesn't show through. To maintain color balance, make sure to use this option in right way like this I'm using. Here you can set a stroke duration in second, that is how long or in second each stroke lasts. Stroke period. Set this between start of subsequent stroke like time or in second. Random stroke probability. The probability that can stroke operation will apply any given frame. Strobe. Choose Makes Layer Transparent for each strobe to make the clip transparent. And second is choose Operate on Color Only. To use the operation specified by Strobe Operator. Okay, so next is Strobe Operator. You can also use these operators to create awesome strobe effect. In this way, experiment with your clip for the best result. The next is random seed. The probability that the strobe seed will apply to given frame. In this way, we can use strobe light with the single color. Now let's see how to add multicolor in strobe light. Again, I'm going to use the same clip for this. Simply drag clip from your folder to your project panel. The next step is drag and drop the same clip on timeline. Now go to the bottom of project panel and click on new item. Then go to adjustment layer and click OK. Drag the adjustment layer on new track sequence over here. Go to effect panel, click video effect and then stylize. And here you can see strobe light. Select strobe light, drag and drop it over adjustment layer. Now your adjustment clip can access the strobe light effect properties. Expand arrow, change the color of strobe light and set properties like below, or you can play around with properties or color. In this way, you can add adjustment layer more than one to make your project more creative. I hope this tutorial helped you. If did, make sure to give us like and don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe but ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any tutorial. I'll see you in my next session. Till time, make sure to keep practicing, share your experience and review on this tutorial in below comment box. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.